Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Chasing the Sun, where we do everything RV and van life, full-time living. And today, Wolfie and I are still in a campground, cruising around, laying low, and we cook up some Impossible burgers. And I've been wanting to try these for a while. And my diet vacillates between whole foods vegan and when I'm paid to cater something, I have to try what I'm cooking. So Impossible burgers, they were really good. I was surprised. I recommend them highly, and I know there's a lot of vegetarians and vegans in our lifestyle, so watch the video, and it comes out really good. Got a couple of new big exciting things coming up for Wolfie and I. We are going to be heading to Minnesota. We have been offered and accepted a job. It's $20 an hour. And one of the things that I promised that I would do when I started the channel was show you all how to make a living. There are plenty of jobs. Yes, I said that right. Plenty of jobs. They're still looking for them, and I will explain that in the next video. It's a full-time gig. It's for up to 4 months. With the overtime, it's around $1,000 a week. So anyone who's watched my previous videos in the beet harvest, that's a little less per week, but it's way more work. So a person could find themselves doing this job for 4 months and then having at least a year off. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. And it's a much better working conditions. You're not outside, you're not freezing to death, which we did last fall, and I'm very grateful for the opportunity we had at the North Dakota beet harvest. But this is a little different. It's climate controlled. You can wear shorts, t-shirt, tennis shoes. It's warehouse work, so I assume it's going to actually be work, but it's not outside. And like I said, I think you could do that for 4 months and then take an entire year off. Yeah, that's pretty special. But anyway, I'll let y'all in on that. We're actually leaving a week from today. This is a Monday as I'm filming this, and I know I don't always release the videos in chronological order, but today, moving forward, we're going to try to stay up at least with part of the videos in a timely, organized manner. Still got plenty of really cool stuff that we've seen, and sometimes we throw in b-roll from stuff we did a day or two ago, but you all won't know that. But if you're looking to start your own YouTube channel, it's really okay to do that, guys. Was talking with somebody today who just started their channel, and she had a bunch of good questions with me for me about my channel and her channel and all of that. So pretty good resource for that if y'all have any questions. So that's it. Find me on social media, guys. Eric Hobaugh, ERICHOBAUGH. My email, as always, is below. If y'all have questions or if I've not covered something that you would like for me to, I'm happy to do that. Got a couple of subscriber suggested videos coming up, and always love hearing from you guys, of course. So yes, I'm headed to northern Minnesota. Land of 10,000 lakes. Going to be good fishing, good YouTube, and showing you all how to do what I do. Couldn't be more excited about that, and kind of excited about getting back to work. So, all right, that's it, guys. Remember, you have to get up every single day and do one thing that gets you closer to your dreams. And I mean it. If y'all are interested in this lifestyle, you got to get going. You got to get moving. You got to stop dreaming. You got to make a move. Get up, get out there, and get this dream life that you've had for so long started. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Me and Wolfie are waking up. It's really, really cold and it's rainy. We don't want to get out of bed. She's like, make the egg. I love you. Good morning. Too much cuteness not to share with you guys. Morning, Wolfie. Morning. Waking up on a nice, cool Saturday. It's raining. It's so peaceful here. I'm having my coffee. Life goals, man. Maybe someday. Hush, Wolfie. There's the couple, and they've got 2 dogs walking, and they got 1 in a stroller, and Wolfie is. Oh, get him, Wolf. All right, so some of you all have asked about my diet. I am normally a whole foods vegan, but I went through the back problems and I had an old chiropractor tell me that I needed as much protein as I could get, and I did. And I switched, and now I'm back to my whole foods vegan stuff. If you've never had an Impossible Burger, it looks just like, what sort of sorcery is this, Wolfie? Anyway, it bleeds, and it's vegetable stuff. It says burger made from plants, no animal products. So anyway, no cholesterol, and that's what I'm after. So anyway, we're gonna cook it up. I've got to get a better staging system for this camera, but anyway, that's what it looks like before we get it fried up. All right, so my camera holding situation, I've got to figure it out, guys. Anyway, now I'm just going to treat this thing like a regular piece of ground beef. Season it up. Y'all know how to do it. You've done it a million times, or seen it done a million times. So season it the way you like it. Cook it. This stuff needs to get, I guess it needs to get cooked all the way through from what I've read. And I'll show you all about halfway through. All right, so it's not smelling that great, but it looks like a dang hamburger. It's acting like a hamburger too. We shall see. Man, it's so weird. It looks just like ground beef. Sizzling like ground beef. But I bet it don't taste like ground beef. Getting ready to find out though. Alright, so like literally, of course still at the campground. Literally, you could not tell the difference just by looking at that. But we're going to dress it up and eat it and see what we get. So there it is. Pickles, lettuce, mayo, mustard, some jalapenos. Dressed just like I would do a regular low-carb hamburger. I'll tell you what I think. All right. Vegan. It's got a really nice crunch to it. The actual Impossible Burger. It's so weird. I mean, obviously it's vegetable, but they've got the texture so close, and actually the taste is pretty close as well. Let me see if I can get that up a little bit. It's, I don't know if you can hear it crunch when I'm cutting it, but it sounds just like a regular piece of beef. It even crunches when I and then you get the lettuce and the pickles and the jalapenos. I mean, basically however you would dress it. It's very confusing in a good way. It's really good. Really, really good. And as I make my way back to the light side of being a vegan or plant-based, this is going to be, now I probably could eat this every day, but like anything else, everything in moderation. And I'm not really sure how good these things are for you. I certainly believe they're better for you than a regular piece of beef, but you know, once every couple of weeks as a cheat meal, this is going to be my new thing. Guys, if you haven't tried it, if you're vegan, you need to try these. Even if you're not, try them, give them a chance. I love the garden burgers, the green garden burgers. They're my favorite. This is amazing. The only problem with this is that it was $7, $7.99, $8 for 12 ounces. That's incredibly expensive for me. And basically the way I eat one big meal or 2 small meals a day. That's a pretty expensive day for me. But anyway, I really like it. You guys should try the Impossible Burger. It's really, really good.